In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list in Klaviyo. Sometimes you'll want a copy of an existing list so you can test different campaigns, clean up your audience, or try new flows without touching the original. Klaviyo doesn't have a one-click duplicate list button, but you can easily recreate any list using a simple export and import method. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, we're going to export the original list. In your Klaviyo account, head over to the main navigation and click on Audience, then choose Lists and Segments. This is where all of your lists live. Find the list you want to duplicate and click on it to open the list details. Once you're inside that list, look toward the top right corner of the screen for an option called Manage List. Click that, and in the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Export List to CSV. Go ahead and select that. Klaviyo will prepare a CSV file, which is just a spreadsheet file containing all of the contacts and their associated data from that list. Depending on the size of your list, the export may take a little time, and you might receive it as a downloadable file or via email from Klaviyo. Save that CSV somewhere you can easily find it, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. Next, we'll create the new list that will act as the duplicate. Still in the Lists and Segments view, look for the button that says Create List, Segment. Click that, and when prompted, make sure you choose List, not Segment. Give this new list a clear descriptive name so you can tell it apart from the original. For example, you might add a tag like Copy or note the date, then confirm to create the list. Right now, this list is empty, and we're going to fill it using the CSV you just exported. With the new list open, you'll see an option to upload and map a file. Click on that. When asked to choose a file, select the CSV you exported from the original list. After selecting it, Klaviyo will walk you through a quick mapping step. This is where Klaviyo matches the column headers in your CSV, like email, first name, or last name, to the correct fields in your account. Take a moment to confirm that everything is mapped correctly so your data stays organized. When everything looks good, click Import. Klaviyo will start importing all those contacts into your new list. Once the import is complete, you've effectively duplicated your original list, and you can now use this new version for experiments, separate flows, or anything else you need without affecting the original.